Hi everyone, and thanks for returning. This video is for you if you're sick of putting in endless hours on the same old marketing activities. Today, we're delving into the area of artificial intelligence, AI, and how it can streamline your marketing processes, saving you time, increasing productivity, and freeing you up to concentrate on what truly counts, building your brand. Let's investigate the top AI technologies that can transform your approach to marketing. Are you prepared to change the way you approach marketing and advance your campaigns? Envision utilizing artificial intelligence, AI, to streamline your marketing procedures, acquire insightful data, and provide individualized client experiences. This futuristic concept is something that many progressive marketers accept today. It's not simply a vision. How then might AI-powered marketing automation transform your company? AI automation, what is it? Industries are being revolutionized by AI automation, which combines the power of AI with the automation of repetitive operations. Regular automation is elevated when AI features such learning from and adapting to past tasks are incorporated. Intelligent automation is the outcome of combining traditional rules-based automation with AI tasks like machine learning and natural language processing. Combining these technologies improves workflows and decision-making, opening up a host of advantages for enterprises. Automation powered by AI is revolutionary. It boosts output, makes sentiment analysis possible, reduces costs, and allows for scalability. Businesses can get a competitive edge in the market by embracing AI automation, which also facilitates the navigation of complicated processes and assures effective risk management and compliance. Definitions and distinctions: automation versus AI. Although automation and artificial intelligence, AI, are sometimes used synonymously, they have different uses and meanings in different fields. Businesses must grasp the distinctions and meanings of automation and artificial intelligence, AI, in order to properly utilize these technologies. Let's examine the traits and powers of automation and artificial intelligence. The definition of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, refers to the ability of machines to imitate human intelligence and perform tasks without human intervention. It involves the use of algorithms, deep learning, and neural networks to analyze and interpret data, recognize patterns, and make decisions based on the findings. AI systems can simulate human cognitive abilities such as learning, reasoning, problem-solving, and natural language processing. AI-powered machines can adapt and improve their performance over time by learning from previous experiences and adjusting their algorithms accordingly. They can process vast amounts of data at high speeds, enabling them to make complex predictions and perform tasks that would typically require human intelligence. What automation means? Contrarily, automation is the use of tools and software to carry out repeated operations, which eliminates the need for human intervention. It seeks to improve productivity, accuracy, and efficiency by optimizing processes and reducing mistakes brought on by manual execution, which can reliably and swiftly finish jobs. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to take your marketing to the next level with AI, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on the latest tips, tools, and tricks to automate and grow your business.